First, I started with liquid latex. And then put tissue paper on my face, and dabbed it in and ripped off the excess paper. Putting some more liquid latex. Obviously this brush is not working for me. Just ripping it off of there. So I start using my fingers instead. Just layering the latex and the tissue paper. And while that side sets, I start on the other side, layering latex and tissue paper. Putting some cornstarch on it to help set the latex. And then putting some foundation on to start blending it in to my skin a little bit. And then start blending it outwards. Now that my face is caked with makeup, I'm going to cut the latex and the tissue paper. My scissors are a little bit dull. Then stretch it out a little bit to make it look like a gaping hole. Nice and big holes, all stretched out. Gonna start putting some black inside to give the wound some depth. Start with some red eyeshadow and putting it around, making it look kind of irritated and gross. I also mixed some brown eyeshadow with the red and tried to give it a little more texture. Start putting some eye makeup on. Same color I used on the wounds. Oh, too much on that eye. My attempt at putting lashes on. My least favorite thing to do. Had to cut a bunch of that out. Took forever. Can't smile or have facial expressions because I have latex on the side of my mouth. Can barely move. Some fake blood on a Q-tip. I'm gonna start putting that inside the wound. Took some cotton off the Q-tip and put it inside and started covering it with some of the fake blood to give it a little depth and nasty, gooey look to it. Same on the other side. And the final look, all nasty and torn open looking. Happy Halloween! It looks like a vagina.